Hey guys, Chris here from Chaos MC with Dan,
Hey,
and yep, hi. And we're on the French servers, EU. There are 8 of them. The link will be in the IP will be in the description. And there are US servers if you're from US, and there's 40 of them I think. So hope you enjoy.
yep. This will be our first video, so we'll try and do our best.
Yeah.
Oh, I got a diamond, Chris.
All right, nice. Dylan Morgan's going for tree.
We have quite a bit of experience on these servers, so shouldn't do that bad.
Yeah, hopefully
Hopefully.
not.
Chris, watch this. Make sure you break the vines. There's kind of few people around you.
Yeah, I got full chain. Pretty much. I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die.
Oh no, I didn't get a diamond. Oh, got nicked out my inventory. That's not fair. I got full chain.
Nice. I nearly died.
I know. I saw someone.
Half a heart.
Sit with the vines.
Heart and a half. Like they all tried to come up to me. Like 3 of them or something. Oh god, that was close.
You have full chain.
Almost. Are you below me?
Oh, I got a diamond. Crap, I need to get out this house.
I can't go down. There's just too many people.
Chris, I'm about to die. 1.5 hearts, no regen.
Right, where are you?
Next to the cave. I got stuck in the house and 2 people came in.
Which house?
Iron axe, and I got stuck in it. Right, Chris, I'm coming back around to town if you'll be there, please.
Yeah, I'm going.
Okay, once I'm dead. Got a diamond, basically full lingerie with an iron helmet.
There are people here. Nat is cute.
Yeah.
Bryonzy.
Yeah. Chris, I'm being chased. Right, Chris, turn around. Don't take him. Turn around, Chris.
Right, he's ditching. He's ditching.
Nice. Chris, someone else behind you.
Fucking hell. Everyone's there. Fuck, he's lagging.
Chris, I got your helmet if you need one.
Alright, yeah. I'm just
Come
ditching.
back down. Whew, that was lucky here. An iron and a diamond as well.
Down there.
No, I've got one.
Right. I picked up a load of wheat from one guy, so.
Nice. Should we check the grave? I haven't got any food, so I need some of that bread if that's okay.
Yeah, I got 32. Well, 16 each.
Yeah. I want the wheat, I want the bread. Thank you. Right, let's go. I think he ran up here, that person. I want to kill him because it's his fault for coming
There's
after.
like 3 people after you. That was crazy.
Yeah, there's someone over here, Chris.
Alright.
Has he even got a chest plate?
No, he hasn't.
Hasn't even got boots either, I don't think. That's the quickest way to get out of the water, what I just wanted.
Alright.
You follow the stream onto the shore, so then you get straight back onto the actual blocks straight away.
He is so stupid. Why did he look in a chest?
Pro tip, never look at a chest when you're being followed.
Yeah, I don't think he knew who was following him actually.
Turn around, Chris. Someone, his friend, same skin but purple. Me and Chris are the blue and red slimes.
Yeah.
With hoodies because we're gangsters. I doesn't even know we're following him, so he's gone underground. What an idiot.
Again. I'll leave him for you if you need help.
Nah. Oh, sorry, I thought that was him.
Nah, he was gonna hit me anyways. You know you've got to pick all that up when you walk out. Oh, you lucky boy.
Yeah! Pro skills.
Lucky.
Right, let's head back into spawn.
Alrighty.
Are you following?
Where are you?
Down here. Next to the tree. The big
Wait,
tree.
I'll check if anyone got Farmer Brown.
Oh god.
Spare stone sword in here if you need it.
I'll choose this axe.
You can't get crits with axe, by the way.
That's those a sword then.
I see someone. Going to second layer of the Coliseum.
It's Sergeant Flynn.
Oh, let's get him.
He needs to die. We
Our
play
old
it.
friend. You know, yeah.
Oh, his friend's bad. Hit him 5 times without him hitting me once. Yeah, he's dead.
Right, I thought you were in trouble, so I just came down. Nice one.
I'd laugh if that was his friend, 'cause he's really bad.
Well, most of his friends are.
No offense, right, but that whoever that was, you are quite bad. You couldn't hit me once.
Magic DCHD's got flying. Crap.
I'm killing Flynn.
Dude, I need help. I can't take this guy.
I'm coming.
I'm on 2nd floor, I see you.
Really, I just jumped down. Right.
Yeah, I've jumped down to you, Dan. I've jumped down. What have I got? I could probably take him.
Oh, iron sword. Didn't know that, like.
Neither did I. Yeah, he's running.
Yeah, we've got him here, Chris, mate.
Oh,
This is the
yeah,
team that skills me and Chris.
Wait, boost me.
I'm in front of me. I'm in front of you on my screen.
Right, yeah.
Got him.
Nice.
Here. You can have the chest plate.
Cheers.
I just have the sword.
Alright, nice one.
That'll do. Flynn got away though.
Yeah, we've got a flying now.
Mini Hetch and Noah 67 Rose have probably teamed off yesterday.
Oh, yeah.
You know many people in these lobbies now.
Yeah. Then we know what teams will be, really.
Yeah. Me and Chris are always teamed if we're in the same game.
Yeah.
Just to let you know, you better want to stay away.
Following?
Yeah.
Right, let's check out Quartz Village. Oh.
Flynn killed someone. Surprising. He didn't really have good armor at all.
Well, that just means people have bad armor.
Mhm.
And all that is bad.
Yeah. Oh, maybe at docks, maybe.
Yeah, let's head over to there.
It's gonna be deathmatch once you kill one more person anyway. Me and you top backers.
As always, as always.
Yeah. Here's someone, Chris. Mini Hatch.
Let's take him.
Oh, see, told you them two would be teamed.
Or is he trying to kill him?
Nah, they were teamed up yesterday. Oh, no, 67 roofs in the floor for me.
He kind of is for me. Yeah, he's dead. No arrows.
They know they're gonna die.
Yeah.
Lol, just shot him. Yeah, I'll take some shots, I'm not bothered.
Yeah.
What's
no,
up,
no,
mate?
no. Oh, you shot me. Oh, we killed the
What's
sheep.
up?
He's asking me to team.
No.
I just won't reply. I'm out of arrows. He's doing cake run. I need cake run.
It's alright, I'll cut him off. I'll try to. Is he turning right?
Yeah, he's behind
Yeah.
the massive quartz building now.
Yeah, no, that's where I am.
He's gonna have to force into the water.
Come on.
Oh. Oh, he's low for D-match, just leave him now.
Oh, he's win. I'm gonna take Flynn.
I'll take Hetch. Hopefully he doesn't block himself in. Right, he's going up the ladder.
Oh, I'm gonna have arrows. Flynn's low. Flynn's one shot.
Mini Hetch, that's a weird glitch, mate.
Yeah, I can see that.
The fuck, I need help for that, mate. He's in the block.
What the hell? I can't hear him. Chris, don't just leave him. I'm not hitting him. See, look, you can see him in the block.
Right, I think he's fine now for me.
Or has Flynn seriously blocked himself in? Yeah, he has.
Oh my god.
Such a dickhead. I've got arrows though, I've got arrows. He hasn't blocked both things in.
Oh dear. Right, I killed him. Where is he?
He blocked himself in with like one block so I could hit him. And then
Really?
yeah, and I shot him and then he turned around so I hit him with my sword.
Lol. Full iron armor, stone sword.
Yeah. Or I can make you an iron sword if you want one.
Yeah, sure, we'll go for that.
Alright, I only got half a level off 2 bottles.
Lol. Right, full iron sword then, yeah?
Yeah.
Alrighty.
Yeah.
Bows or no bows?
I've only got, well, how many arrows you got?
1.
I've only, we'll do
You can use
both.
arrows if you want, but I don't
Yeah, we'll do bows I suppose. I haven't really got many arrows, but
Knowing you, you'll make some now.
yeah.
I'm just looking for them in chests. No. Right, okay, ready?
Yep.
Oh, just chuck the leather boots on the floor, I don't want them. Right, okay,
Ready?
let's go.
Hello. Lag.
Oh, GG, 7.5 hearts.
Yeah, I did so bad.
Alright, thanks
Bad.
guys
Hello?
for watching, and see you soon.